Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a Babbel account and start learning a new language, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit the Babbel website or download the Babbel app from the App Store or Google Play Store. The app provides a seamless mobile learning experience. Step 2. Open Babbel and click on Start Learning or Sign Up. You'll be asked to choose which language you want to learn from the available options. Step 3. Select your target language. Babbel offers courses in Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, and many other popular languages. Step 4. Indicate your current skill level in the chosen language. Options typically include beginner, elementary, intermediate, and advanced levels. Step 5. Choose your learning goal and motivation, such as travel, work, family, or personal interest. This helps Babbel customize your learning path. Step 6. Create your account by entering your email address and creating a secure password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Facebook or Google account. Step 7. Babbel will prompt you to subscribe to access full course content. Review the subscription options, which typically include monthly, 3-month, 6-month, and annual plans. Step 8. Select your preferred subscription plan and enter your payment information. Babbel often offers a money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied within a certain period. Step 9. Complete your purchase and verify your email address by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Step 10. Set up your profile and learning preferences, including your daily learning goal and notification settings. Start your first lesson and explore Babbel's interactive curriculum designed by language experts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.